Did you know that in Mexico there was a ranch where people were exterminated? From the outside, it looked like an ordinary piece of land. Quiet, isolated, no signs of anything. But in March 2025, search collectives entered the site and found what no one wanted to see. Charred skeletal remains, bones reduced to ash, human fragments mixed with burned soil. There were hundreds of pieces of clothing, shirts, pants, shoes, backpacks, even children's items, personal belongings of people who never returned home. They also found buried structures, clandestine ovens, places designed to erase bodies completely. The most disturbing part wasn't that. It was learning that authorities had already inspected the ranch before and said there was nothing there. Nothing. While families searched, the place kept operating. People were taken there against their will. They were killed there. They were disappeared there. Months later, a dozen gunmen were convicted for running the site. But the questions remain. How many people passed through there? How many will never be given a name? Who chose to look the other way? It wasn't a mass grave. It wasn't a training camp. It was an extermination center. And it was there the whole time. Yes, I'm talking about Rancho Izaguirre. Follow if you believe this couldn't have happened without government help.